Hey everybody! What's up? Okay. Let's do this. So, I wanted quick sticks. Do something. Yes. Wanted a quick sticks. Aha! Do this. Bug got me. Bug got me on my side. Okay. That's one. Make that shoe. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm saying oh my gosh because the damn mosquito is back. Seriously. This mosquito drives me freaking crazy. Okay. Two last things. Hey, Soldier Boy! What's up? How are you? And Lord PUBG. How goes it? How goes it? Hope you guys are doing amazing. Okay, so I was quickly setting up, just so that you guys know, Violin has awesome discounts, always. There's an 89% discount off of option 1 and a 75% off discount on option 2. Just so that you know. The option 1, so the 89% off, is the normal Teach Maya. The other one for option 2 is it's going to be Teach Maya 75. I hope that made sense. If you guys need me to, repeat that, please let me know. Hey, non. $75%. Let me do this. I'm just making sure someone actually asked about the codes, so I'm quickly just doing this. Done. Okay. My WhatsApp good to see on one of my mods told me you stopped by last week. Oh, of course I did. Like, Insider's Trading Future, be honest, are you on just 24/7? Because I don't think I've ever hopped on and not seen you live. So are you good? How do you manage that? Are you not like, I don't know. Olram, what's up? How are we doing? Debbie, hi. Skeletor, that was good. That was really, really good. But
hi, hi, good morning.
Amazing. Destin, you know what? I was wondering what was going on, and then I was like, right, it's because I'm blind. There we go. So, Alec, your full porting option. Sorry, guys, the mosquito has now nommed me, which is so irritating. Insider trade. You are. How are you on 24? Why? Like, how does the brain cope with it? Am I from Australia, Akira? I'm not. I'm actually South African. What's up? Was catching up on old stream and realized you're live now. Oh, Debbie, you're such a sweetie pie. And I was sleeping through the swing trade. Oh, that's bad. Had to get some beauty rest. You sent the mosquito. Well, that's just mean, isn't it? Mr. Pix? Rude. Absolutely rude. Flash Golden, what's up? How y'all doing? I know I say y'all, I don't know, I'm gonna blame Bob for that, just because I can. I'm just gonna blame Bob for me saying y'all. Let's see. Oh, goodness gracious. My bad. I'm not even mean if I say oh, Akira, that's so sweet. Where are you from, Akira? Yosh, what's up? What am I trading today? Still MNQ, still them Nasdaq futures. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Let's see. London session was disgusting. Just saying. Lionel Lopez, do I have good genes? I wanted to make a really bad joke, but obviously I can't say, oh, you know, I heard it as genes because obviously you typed it out. I can't blame it on that. I was gonna like get out a nice pair of jeans and be like, yeah, look. Anyways. Almost neighbor Indian. Nice, that's cool. Gambling or investing? I'm sorry, it's not one or the other, but I'm day trading to answer that question. You haven't taken a trade since last Monday, just because of how the market conditions have been. I get it. Aw, cheers, enjoy, good luck trading. Hopefully it's been going amazing. Thank you for popping by, youardebomb.com. Also, well done. I know that your subscriber count has been going through the roof. Ba-da-da-da. David, what's up? Why are you awake? Are you good? How is everybody doing today? Have I tried poker? I would be disgustingly bad at poker. Disgustingly bad at poker because I am very bad at lying and I am very bad at containing my facial expressions. So put them both together and you get the worst poker player in the world. Oil sounds by looking for a little bit of recovery today. If breaks 6-7 will be up a lot. Soldier Boy, forward testing today. I did a little bit of forward testing during London. Disaster. I took one trade during London, was a loss, but actually this chop should have just been a hands-off situation. It's fine, so you can see. So I just took the one, barely took any contracts, as you can see. I mean, I'm still down, but it is what it is. And I'm glad about the trade purely because of the fact that it was an A+ setup and I took it and I didn't overthink it too much. I did what I was supposed to do. Obviously just not ideal market conditions. And that's fine. We now at least have a little bit of oomph behind the momentum, which I'm happy about. Poker all in? So am I forward testing today? I will still forward test the bob to bob level. Maybe what, give it one more day, maybe another. Let's see how, if I get it today decently, maybe tomorrow I'll start placing one contract with it, right? And let's just see what, yeah, let's see what this brings us. Am I using a prop firm? Yes, I'm on a funded account though. What's up? Anything you do in life is a gamble if you truly think about it. So everyone is a gambler. There we go. I'm awake because I already slept. Nice. So Basil, you're a poker player. You are the second poker player I know. How much prop account? What do you mean by how? Oh, 50k? Is that what you're asking? Could I explain day trading? So basically, day trading and scalping, basically it's quick in and out trades. So you can be in the markets and you can take sells, you can take buys as it goes. Swing trading is you look at like the higher time frames and you can hold that trade for weeks, well, days or weeks. And investing is you kind of do your research, pick whatever you want to invest in, put the money there and leave it 4 months to years. So it's basically the difference is the time frame. That's basically the difference. So I need to clean these. These are so dirty. Why are you not placing your long/shorts based on key support and resistance? I am. What do you think these little shaded areas are? They are them bob levels right there. It is what it is. Soldier boy. Blacksmith, what's up? Don't trust the markets, it is cooked. And then the market will print money. Alec, I hear you. Yeah. Do you know what's sad? I actually spoke about this morning. And it made me feel a little bit better. Don't get me wrong, it's still frustrating. As you can see, I've like nearly blown this funded account. We can still turn it around. It's not gone just yet. It's close, but it's not gone just yet. But I basically passed just before all the drama in the world started happening. So I mean, my strategy was working for when the markets were quote unquote a little bit more normal. And now that it's a little bit all over the place, this strategy basically went from a 65% win rate to a 47%, which is not good at all. So, yeah, it's really not good, which is why I've been kind of forward testing with something else to see, because clearly with the conditions they're in right now, my strategy just doesn't work. And it is what it is, right? You got to adapt with the markets. Go have fun with it. How much was the 50,000 account? Blacksmith, if I'm not mistaken, let me think back. Sorry, I got it so long ago. $50 a month, if I'm not mistaken, maybe a little bit less. The only problem is there is an whatchamacallit, activation fee. Whereas Tradeify, it's a little bit more expensive per month, but there's no activation fee, which is pretty awesome. I'm a big fan of momentum trading. Nice. Basu, this is evaluation phase. I'm lying. I'm sorry. This is my funded account. Guidet, why don't I use Tradeivate? Well, I technically am. I'm just trading on TradingView. How's today Monday volume? Oh, London session was disgusting. Disgusting. So I'm hoping New York brings some decent movement. I mean, 47 isn't bad if you target 2 hours. True. True. Well, thanks, David. Shout out to David for the dono. David, you get specific fireworks just for you. Don't say I don't do anything for you. Fix it, hit it back down there. Oh, I'm thinking about learning SMC, but I've heard mixed reviews. How long have I been trading with it? Pat, so I basically use a combination of SMC and ICT confluences. So I don't exclusively trade SMC. Which prop firm? I'm currently with Top One Futures. New York always brings movement. Vasu, how can I get your strategy? No, I'm kidding. The one I'm currently using, that's not doing amazing, that one. Thank you guys to... Give me a second, sorry. There's supposed to be a plumber coming, but I specifically told him to go later. Oh, wait, let's see. this reason. I feel like he's here and I'm gonna be really angry at him. Slow, just use trade evade forward and trading view forward. Whoa, okay, okay. Here's the 9:30 a.m. open. Let's see what we get. Only talking when things happen. What do you mean, Mega? Bantu guy? What do you mean, huh? That was a very big response off. This is a bit cheeky. I don't know if I would have done this, but I'm curious. I know this is like negative R, but let's see if it would have just quick one in. This is why I'm forward testing, okay? To the dirt. Again, this is forward testing. Guys, do not copy this. I'm really trying to get good at this and spotting. Probably a little bit too quick jumping into it, especially going off of the first candle, but did I get it? No, I missed it. 2.5k on that fat candle. Woo! That is amazing. Nicely done. Aren't you just so damn cool? Look at you go. Like I said, I wouldn't have taken this, so just before I get yelled at. Before I get yelled at. I'm seeing something. Let's see. Mega Ubuntu? What do you mean? What do you mean easy down? You think this is gonna go down now? I still think this is gonna push back up. Let's see. This is what I'm forward testing a little bit. We are bullish. What am I seeing? So I'm forward testing a new strategy. I have loved these bob to bob levels. I use them as reference all the time. I finally had like a one-on-one call with Bob and we kind of went through the strategy a little bit. Like I said, this was probably a little bit quick to jump into this. But yeah. I've taken a long entry 15 minutes ago, not going anywhere. Okay. Those candles have no wicks, it's coming down. Eventually. In 30 minutes. I just needed to tap into TP there. Shoot. Okay, give me a second. Okay, guys, what would I do when Bob goes into a losing streak? Indicator, well, OTT, then I'll go from there. Guys, give me a second. I specifically told these people to come later, but no one listens, so when you guys check out my trade, I have to just quickly let the plumber in. I'll be right back. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, guys. What the heck? That would have worked. A win's a win. Momentum. Bearish momentum. Last year it took your stop loss. It would have been a nice lunch when you right, Soldier Boy. I'm looking at this going, ah, damn. And this is also why you must not be too greedy with it. Okay, so this would have been a win. Negative R, but it's still a win, you know. Who's to say what's amazing, what's not? Hey, shush. Sorry guys, if I'm running around a little bit, I apologize. There you go. Good boy. You're good. You're good. So here's the 5-minute candle. Okay, good rejection off of there. I don't know if I would have quite taken that though. Let's check how this looks on the 5-minute. Whoa. 121. Solid rejection off of this. So, like I said, this maybe would have been a little bit on the quick side of life, jumping into this. I feel like this also could have potentially been a little bit quick though. Because my brain wants to go. Let me lock you in here. Very good. Yeah. Good boy, good boy. You need to stay here for a little bit, okay? Problem solved. Okay. When in doubt, just lock your dog in with you. Stop it. Win is a win. What? Check against fib levels. This part? Oh, wait, are you talking like actual fib levels or are you talking about my GAN box? Like I said, apologies about being locked. Yep. 8 points for sell. Let's see, we still have not had a first presented fair value gap. Back into the 9:30 a.m. range. I mean, seriously, off the bat, a win. Half hour win, but still a win. I'm gonna do this. Still, sorry guys, like I said, I am forward testing, so I'm taking notes. Okay, back into the 9:30 a.m. range. This is the 5-minute candle. Let's see what we don't have news, do we? Oh, Alex, that was terrible. Damn. Low-key good, but terrible. Against them, these levels right now. Bet less, take smaller profit. Let's see. No, happy stop loss. It took your stop loss. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I apologize about that. To be fair, the markets have been taking my stop losses, so it's fine. Alex, how was the trades this morning? Okay, so let's see how this would have reacted. Back into the 9:30 a.m. level. This has not closed above there. How did this look on the 5-minute? So 5-minute. Okay. ES is a whole lot more bullish than NQ is today. Barry, you're good. I made $500 in second and whoop whoop! Again, that is awesome! Hey Geordie, what's up? How you doing, George? How's the trades going? How's Mikuave? You know, true, you are correct. I am so sorry, I keep forgetting that I do actually have the capabilities to check for myself. Okay, so no. Absolutely nothing uber duper important today. A little bit here, never mind. Forecast prior. Sorry, I was just curious about what I would do if I did that. Sorry. I'll stop being weird. Okay, I was curious about this for Bob to Bob. We still have not gotten a first presented on ES. A first presented has arrived, if you will, on ES though. Don't like where that's placed, so let's try this again. Let's do this on ES. Let's see how it looks on ES. Okay. Oh, ES and NQ are oh so different. Cool. Take my stop loss, went to TP now. 10 TPs, including the one that I disclosed, 2 break even and 3 stop loss for today. Oh my goodness. That's a good idea, Alex. Good grief. 10 TPs. That is insane. Easy so far, being a little aware of this valid. Geordie, the price action during London today was disgusting. Disgusting. So that's fair. Agent Perry, reporter of trades now. Did you hear that, Bean? You're being summoned. Come here. You've been summoned. Come here. PA trash. ES is pushing or NQ lacking. Honestly, OTT, are you gonna try trade ES, OTT, or not even? Look, we got a pair. We can. Oh, yes, baby. And no, come. Not you. Sorry, there's a mosquito right there. Ah, Ken, people want to say hi. Ta-da. Interesting. Okay, ES is pushing solidly right now. Now and then I might just have to disappear and find out if everyone's still good. I'm in a 5-minute NQ long though. Nice. What does it look like on the 5-minute? This. Oh, damn. Okay. Would have been a partial for my trade here. Is price action being nice today? Oh, I'm oh so wary of this. Is this going to be the first presented? Okay, so it looks like a potential partial and then a win-win. Breaking below. No wicks happening there. Very interesting. Big sell today. Mega Ubuntu, you still think a big sell is coming? I'm not convinced. But, well, no, let's not say I'm not convinced because technically actually midnight is down here. There's still a lot of sell side liquidity. So it is possible that it could just be manipulating the heck out of everyone. That's low-key what it has been doing the whole day. Is first presented. Oh, it's in line with the 5-minute as well. low-key quite nice. Do I give it a bash? I might be too late for it, but trend is friend until it's not, right? Could just be shooting up again. Let's see, it still has to retest slightly on ES. Don't want to get overly excited about this either. So busy this weekend. Awesome markets, maybe fewer longs here in a bit. Interesting. Got the first presented. 1, 2, shoot. I'm trading into a value area high. What do you mean, JP? Oh, I haven't even put up my volume profile levels, to be fair. 1, 2, 3. That's what I wanted. I wanted to retest there. Ah, let's see. This might be a trap buy. I mean, no. Well, let's see. OTT, I believe in you. I think this is going to be a good one for you. It's going to be a goodie for you. I have a wick down there, but this is not great. Did disrespect off of the 50% on the 5-minute though, but that's fine. I know, ES looks like it's dropping. Come on, respect the first presented. No. It's a 5-minute entry. Last time I did that was last year. I'm so cooked. Don't say that. Don't say that. Point is, you're break even, so either way for you, it's good. Okay, still respecting the 50% of the first presented. Go back up. Don't love that it's retesting it, but come on. Make this a little bit higher. Do I leave a little bit of a runner? Do I be a little bit greedy or not? I haven't zoomed out to actually properly check and see if there's anything of... Still retesting. Still got big wicks to the low side. Let's see. Talk about the 4-hour swing high, aka daily fair value gap. Really? Oh, come on. Yeah, still reject off of the 50. Yep. Good, good, good. I don't like how it keeps retesting the lows. But yeah, let's see. Okay, now there's a strong divergence to the Lavender. Be positive for me. Say nah, this is gonna go up. You're gonna be fine. Crude is at Friday's meet. Oh, interesting. This does not have a wick. Go take that out first. And then give me shenanigans. Drive with Gagan Heart. Nope, not FOMO. It was an A+ setup. Trust. It's going against the bob levels, so it's definitely not FOMO. I'm gonna pop this there. Okay. This is interesting. Last TP at that bob level after taking partials, move stop loss to the first TP. Sorry, wait. What? Last TP at that bob level. Interesting, okay. After taking partials, move stop loss to the first TP. And watch the price action or next time to build confidence. Alex, I don't know if it's even gonna go there, but let's see. Am I performing my rituals to full TP? Same on my end. Let's hope the week brings us joy. Little trapped in this range right now. Decent doji there. Problem was it's a decent doji to the sell side. Oh shoot. Okay, give me 2 seconds, guys. Watch. I'm back. Okay. I'm back. Please make a beep. Oh my god, it made a beep noise! Yes, it was a good beep noise! Okay. Sorry. It's been a while since I've heard a good beep noise. Yes, okay. Anyways, how many contracts do I trade? It depends. Oh, we're here. We are 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 here. Heck yeah, guys. Oh my, I'm still in this. No ways. OTT, where's your TP exactly? I've kind of, let's pop this on the 5-minute. Have you put it at these highs here? Like there's a little bit of resistance, that's why I put it a little bit lower. Well, it's now risk-free. Or do I put it at the high highs? Is that being greedy? Theoretically, the place to put it is bob to bob. Within the hour, right? Maybe a little bit greedy, maybe not. Let's see if we are forward testing bob to bob. Let's do it properly. Two for 800. 2 for 800? Oh, okay. I was like, what? So that is in correlation. Yeah. So these highs, I actually had it lower. Let me make it there. Let's not be greedy. 793 is decent. Should I whoop whoop or is it too? You can whoop whoop, Alex. It's now a trade. It's now a risk-free trade. We took some whoop whoops. We're at least back up to 580. I know it's not a lot, but still. Better than nothing. Oh, never mind. Well, out at then break even. So 1 minute. Sorry, I feel like I'm yelling. I apologize for yelling. Okie dokie. Went back into entry. There we go. 2. It's basically there, so it wasn't actually a 2R because it was a partial and then break even, but that's fine. So there was the entry. Here was exit. Cool. So I'm not even going to make it the full one, even though it did hit there. Partial, and then break even. Nice. Okay, so we are up 593. Everyone to calm down. Big spender over here. $593.4. Okay. Better than nothing.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, thanks, Mikuave. Just for you. Fair level, thank you. Yeah, that's fine as well that it still went. Oh, did it seriously just want to come and take me out? This might start headed back up now. Might start heading back up now. Let's see. We don't quite have the amount of oomph that I would like to see, but it's better than nothing. Why did I do that? There we go. Was actually, yeah. So I was just thinking to myself, I must actually stop leaving a runner if I only have 2 contracts. If I have above 2, I can leave 1 runner. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop leaving runners. Sorry, so it's just journaling that. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go. We have a bearish trend. I expect price to reach all the way up to 24789. On NQ, then a bearish trend. Okie dokie? Okay, well, let's see. Potentially. Good rejection off of the first presented still there. Interesting rejection off the top there. You can't beat the trend. I know, but so far you've said that and both of these were longs and both of these hit. You're not wrong. In the long run, I do believe it's going to go down, but for the quicker scalps, right now it's going a little bit bullish. Slowly. I'll give you that one. It is going slowly, but it is still going. Oh my gosh, I'm being eaten alive by this mosquito. This is a nice way to start the week. Oh, well, thanks, Alex. Still down, but better than it was, right? Basically a little bit more break even today than anything else, and that's okay. Sorry, I'm pulling a little bit of a face at this price action right now. Okay, it will definitely take out that. Yeah, so that's been taken out. I think it's gonna start dropping now, guys. I think this might be it. How does this look on the 5-minute? Hmm. 15? So this is the 15-minute candle. Quite a large 15-minute candle, not gonna lie. I want to make thousands. Two for 800 it is. Let's see, 25 up, 75 down. Like I said, this might be the point where it starts going. Am I still? Oh, I am on the 1-minute. Maybe. My bad. Stuck in the 15-minute range. Two rejections off of there. For a bob to bob. Okay, bob to bob might look like so. Let's check again on the 5-minute. Starting to form that doji. Thank heavens, the first presented's being respected pretty decently right now. Okay, so definitely not bob to bob this way. Would have been keen on it happening here. I've learned a lesson today that I don't have to open my position before New York open. Oh, no, Vasily. No, I normally don't. Drive with Gagon, I haven't had a payout yet. Oh, hey, Michelle, how are you doing? I might close, but I mean, Vasu, that's what hello I would say is a pretty decent idea. I have a Perry Bean over here. OTT, are you still in this, by the way? I don't know if OTT is still in this. OTT? You get? And we're back in range. I was gonna do a bob to bob, but this would be the entry if it comes and breaks below. Apparently buyers and sellers are just having disagreements. OTT? Oh, I asked if you're still in the trade or did you get taken out at break even? Still struggling to break above. Oh, you're still in. Nice. Okay, okay, cool. I prefer this closer to the 50%, so like there. But that feels like it's pushing it. What does this look like on the 5-minute again? Oh, this looks oh so yucky. Seriously. Vasu, you're now looking down. Hey, Mary, what's up? Hammer, what's up? I'm assuming you had good trades, right? Oh, Roki Doki, that is amazing. Are you excited? Hey, OTT, whoop whoop. OTT, OTT, OTT. I'm now just checking these two here. That's a good engulfing candle. That's very good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Again, still just forward testing. Okay. And remember to not be greedy. Okay. So fast forward testing, so this would be for the bob levels, right? It broke this engulfing. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Mm-hmm. Do you guys hear the monkeys on the roof? Gonna drive Perry crazy. Can you hear them? Please say you can hear them. Do you hear that? That's the monkeys. Oh my gosh! Okay, they're crazy. How many candles are making? Oh, hammer! Whoop whoop! That is amazing! Pink Bugatti on me. Heck yeah, OTT! Let's go! I love it. I took the account like 10 days ago and I made this is the trade on the pass, the first phase. They call me crazy frog. Wait, no. Ding ding. Damn. Thanks for now getting that completely stuck in my head, by the way. I want to see a rejection here. Oh, actually, yeah. I don't know if this is going to reject how I want to see it reject. Oh, maybe it is. Nope. That is no wick. That might want to go down again. Okay, this is a solid. Pretty decent, except for the fact that it is a bearish. Oh my god! Which means make it more like so. Bob the Builder. Will you guys be mad if I say you don't like Bugattis? Hannah. To be fair, I don't know much about cars in general. So, no, I won't be mad. What account? I'm on a... What do you mean by account? I'm on a 50k funded account. Have I got my payout? No. Am I completely in drawdown? Yes. You're in NAS 100 buys now. Nice, nice. The only thing I do not like about this is the fact that this has no wick. I've been keeping such a strong eye out for the candles with no wicks. It's very intriguing to watch how it reacts. Someone's getting banned. Oh no, wait, apparently you're in trouble now. Come back, whoop whoop. Oh, Debbie! Whoop whoop. Actually, OTT, you also get a whoop whoop because you up nicely today. Everyone gets a whoop whoop. The prints, which firm would you recommend? I guess it depends on, well, where you are, what you are looking for. Are you looking for, like, do you want to get in and get out of the eval quickly? If you plan on passing the eval quick, I would say go for Tradeify. You can actually even get a Tradeify select account. You only need $2,500 to pass. You know, whereas normally you would need $3,000 to pass your eval. And the drawdown still stays the same at $2,000. So it's nearly even with regards to profit target and drawdown. There's no activation fee. Oh no, I lied. The only problem with select is that there is a 40% consistency rule during the eval. However, once you have passed, there's no consistency rule at all. Hammer, no, I don't think so, because I did have a trade earlier that was a loss. So yeah, I had a losing trade before I had this little whoop whoop over here. I'm still watching this. Rejecting, rejecting, decent rejection. Did not close below. This, oh, if it's capable of breaking above, this would be a decent bob to bob level trade. Here's safety account waiting for payout tomorrow. Oh, nice. Basu, how much do I risk per trade? Recently less than I should be. But that's just because the confidence is in the toilet and so is the damn drawdown. But generally I would use $200 per trade. Oh, I would risk $200 per trade. Oh, we're stuck again. Why? Come on. I was promised a good old time from NQ after it was yucky this morning. Do I attempt to take this trade? This is a solid bob to bob level, but I don't like how it's looking on ES. I should forward test one more day here, probably. If there's a solid rejection off of here. Sorry, I'm deep in thought because I'm trying to decide, do I take this trade or not? Do I take this trade or not? If it goes to 24800, I deserve a wombat scream. Do you think I should try to take this trade? Just one contract. See how it goes. No, this is choppy, but I like that this does not have a wick. This is gonna go back up. Hey, Boojay, what's up? How goes it? So you take that out. Still would not be in there, so that's cool. Don't just see how it goes, please. That's gambling. It's called forward testing. For a reason. Forward test, one con, doesn't make too much of a difference with one contract. The whole point of forward testing. Let's see, like I said, I like that this does not have a wick. That's pretty good. We do have highs up at around... They're a little bit higher than the 800 level actually, but there are highs at the top. The only downside with today is that this price action is kind of going nowhere. It's long, but it's poopy, so don't do it, Boojay. That's hilarious. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? What confidence is it fine? Interesting to take that long. This long here. I talk about this long. That was a win. Didn't answer how many trades with this account till now. Like, in total? I have no idea. Got a boss in Russian. I'm currently trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Interesting, okay. So this trade would have been a win, but 1, 2. But it was not an A+ setup. Could maybe argue, but you know, the point is you shouldn't be arguing. Could argue that Bob level 50% could be another confluence. But again, you shouldn't argue. So here, I definitely would have gotten in. Oh, good actual grief. Okay, so that would have been the entry into this trade. Like I said, still testing the Bob to Bob level. What's time looking like? Oh my gosh, it's nearly been an hour? Yeah, no, today's not looking good, hey? Today is not looking good at all. Lastly, no, I'm not in the trade. I'm forward testing that strategy, so I'm not in this trade. It did take out this candle because it had no wick. That's very interesting. That is a very, very interesting. Good rejection off of the Bob level there. Let's see how it reacts now. Again, no wick to the top side. And now we go. Don't go. Go. Oh, this price action sucks. Teacher gang gonna come in soon. What's up, Cameron? Are you good? Vujay, yep. Now this price action is the worst. I had high hopes for New York session after London was yucky. What the heck, Vujay? Can you not like make calls? Tell NQ to just wake up. Maybe we need like an alarm clock. Come on. Oh, nice, Cameron. That's awesome. I'm assuming winning trades, right? So whoop whoop. We happy? Could want to do a bit of a stop loss fund, so let's say you move it there. Oh, fine. Mega says we have heard to short. To be fair, this now is definitely hands-off type of price action. This is sideways. I would not take a trade in this. This is some sideways of rubbish going on right now. This is why we avoid days like this. No, honestly, I didn't like that market opened up over 80% from free market. Tesla looks good to lead the way. Why? What does Tesla look like today? What is the Teslas looking like? Okay, still decent rejections off of that level. I swear this volume's getting smaller and smaller. This is nearly at freaking London volume going right now. It actually doesn't want to hit my TV. I'm so sorry. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry, Perry's bugging me to go out to chase the monkeys. Okay. Is anyone actually taking trades in this right now? Very low volume today. Right. This volume is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Nope, watching. Okay, cool. Let's actually ask this. Who's actually in a trade right now? Who is currently? Mother bluffer. There we go. I was clicking the wrong thing. Who is currently in a trade, people? Let's see. Me. Yep. Watching. Hey, Quiff, what's up? See 500 riding in a minute chart. Look up to 670 by end of day. So this would have been a partial break even for my normal strategy. Also two partial. I mean, not bad, not bad. Mega Ubuntu, do you think this is finally your short that's going to come into play? Awesome, let's see. How's this look on the 5 minute? Oh, ew. Sorry, but oh, ew. Yeah, I'm pulling a face at you, NQ. What is this? What even is this? What broker am I using? I'm currently with Top One Futures. I was gonna take a short, but thankfully I forgot to activate the funded account. Fund protection algos are keeping us up right now. Hey, Coldro. Wait, oh, it's Cold Drogo. What's up? You a fan of Game of Thrones? Maybe? Just a suspicion. Oh, so that would have been a loss. Okay. So I'm keeping this up. To see, this is why we forward test as well. See, maybe the stop loss should have been moved lower down, especially with this price action. Let's see how this goes. Maybe this is where we get the momentum. Sharp touching buy limit. Okay. Buyers are tired. Yeah, they were trying for oh so long. Megabuntu, there we go. Here's your short you've been waiting for. What keeps you going in trading? The freedom that can be, right? The freedom that can be with work and dedication. Hello, sweetie pie. I think that's it. That's hello. What about you, Caldrogo? Oh my gosh, I butchered it. What about you? What would be your reasoning? There's 10:30. So it's now past the first hour, which is not ideal, but anyways. Back into the first presented. Let's see if that was entry. Ooh, good grief. That's big. Yeah, there we go. So this is actually not an ideal time to be taking bob to bob levels. After the first hour, it's not great. So I would not be in this trade, just FYI, if anyone was wondering. Only thing I do not like about this is the fact that it's going completely against the first presented and but that has been retested and retapped into a few times. See on the 1 minute again. Okay, so now I would be in a bob to bob one. Did not go and retest the 50% there. Just take me out. Damn, OTT, are you still in this? I could have taken this up, but I wasn't paying attention. Identified support and resistance over 4-hour time frame 2. I wait for the 50-minute candle to close below or above those levels and go in. I'd say discipline and commitment. No, wait. Oh, what keeps you going? Like, okay, I thought you meant what makes you not want to give up trading. But I guess that comes with the commitment part, right? What keeps you profitable is the discipline and commitment. Yeah, this one's going Bub's Bob. Yeah, literally no way I could have put that one, so that's fine. So now I would be in this trade. Entry would have been on this candle. Let's see. Bob would have had 1. Short close time to chop the rest of the session. No! What market is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Break even hit. Sorry, OTT. But I mean, still green, so that's awesome. So I haven't quite decided if I start to like move stop loss and things with that when it comes to bob to bob levels. Like it's still fine to take a bob to bob until max 11, but it's still theoretically I should not be taking one now. We're at midpoint of opening range, so 50-50 from here. That's great. Let's see. Hey, hey, my baby. Well, do you know what? While we are waiting for this to make up its mind, I think it is time. Oh my goodness, what is that doing? Okay, well, you guys can just watch my hair being crazy now. Anyways, I think it is time. Not this. This is dealing with difficult people. This book is hilarious. Literally, chapter 5 is colleagues to throttle. That is the definition. And I think that is so funny. Sorry. Anyways. I saw that and I thought it is too funny to deal with. But it is indeed now. I want to start doing butterfly of the day. Because it's fun and butterflies are pretty and screw it. Because I can. So. Butterfly of the day. Let's do this. So this is just so that we can see what's happening. Okay, so I've just gone onto a random page. Let's do common opal. So let's see what it looks like. Common opal. Butterfly. Damn, this is a pretty butterfly. Look at it! What? So, wingspan, the female can be... No, I lied. The male can be 24 to 32 millimeters, and the female can be 23 to 35 millimeters. Interesting. The female's is larger. So the upper side... Good grief. They are beautiful. Sorry, let's see. Spectacular copper wings with blue bases and electric opalescent luster. Damn. Amount of blue on upper side varies. In some subspecies, almost covering the whole forewing. Okay. The female has rounder wings. Upper side blue restricted to basal 25% of wings. Interesting. No opalescent sheen. So that's specifically for the females. So there are 2 forms north of Cape Town. Oh, there we go. So, distribution. Fynbos covered hill, so that makes sense with Cape Town. And succulent Karoo. So, nominate from Cape, Peninsuela, and Mossel Bay, so Western Cape. North to Lambert's Bay. Inland. Oh my goodness. See, I'm learning something fun. Habitat, hilltops, flatlands, mountains, coast. Flight period, year-round. Peaks October and March. Okay, and the best part is I am going to attempt to say their damn Latin name. What's it called? Yeah, sure, we'll go with Latin name. Chrysortus Thisbe. I feel like I completely that word. Chrysortus, and then oh, there it is. That's it. Thisbe. Chrysortus Thisbe. We're gonna go with it. We're gonna pretend that I said that beautifully, and y'all are not gonna judge me. There's butterfly of the day. Well, of the session. Maybe I should just start calling it butterfly of the session. And it's a damn pretty butterfly. Let's just be real. Okay, back to trading. Bob to Bob level, guys. Ah, sorry. That was a nice surprise. Oh my gosh, that scared the daylights out of me. What the heck, man? Okay, anyways, moving on. That was unexpected. Moving right back up. Sorry, did we do trading now for butterflies? Yeah, it was butterfly of the session. Did I hear dinosaur frisbee, basically? What was that? It was a meme. You guys ready for it? Are you ready for the meme? I don't think you guys are ready for this. Anyways, it's what I was playing with, but it's okay. I feel like you offended almost 5 people with that segment. Why, Robocop? How now? Look at this. Look at this. That was a beautiful bob to bob right there. Bob to bob. So this would have been a win. So bob to bob so far would have had 2 wins, 1 loss. Not bad. Kevin, what's up? Minus 210. Can you play that Indian again? Sure. This is just for Soldier Boy. I appreciate it. Can you pronounce my name? Evelino? Alexandre Molin? Am I saying something bad? I feel like I might be saying something bad. Kevin, nice win. Well, if I'd taken it, this is the forward testing. So, forward test, actual trade, forward test, forward test. So, with regards to the forward testing trade, 2 wins, 1 loss. Not bad. Not bad. And I would probably not want to take another trade from here. I'm actually, whoopsie daisies, I'm gonna go on to the 5-minute to take a screenshot. So, like I said, sorry guys, I'm forward testing this, so I'm kind of journaling every single one. L. And last one. Ba-bum. followed by done, done, done. Cool. Done. You guys will want some mitigate risk. Oh, really? I deserve that too. 5-minute shot is brutal. Big down still coming. You think so? Oil won't drop below 95 a barrel either. Santosh, what's up? How are we doing? How are we doing today? Let's see. I mean, it's rejecting solidly now. Off of that level. If it's going to go back up. Again, I would not take another trade after this. Was gonna go back up, it would look like this. I don't think this is going to be a thing that happens though. This might continue back to the bear side, but let's see. Practicing me setups. Again, timing wise, no, but still. Likely going shorter for sweeping. Yes, this is the demand zone. Well, we continue nonetheless. 1, 2, 3, no. Shoot, okay, so my strategy, this is a B setup, not an A+ setup. So I can't take my normal strategy for that one. 100 million barrels from reserve is merely a bandage. A little bit. Enter the game again, same TP 24800. Soldier boy, are you on a mission? Are you just like this? It must be hit. It will hit. Just watch. So on ES, VWAP is just below. It could potentially want to tap back into VWAP. Not too sure. Let's see. So I would have, sorry, let's put this where the entry would have been. Entry would have been on this candle at that level. So that would have been entry. Would have scared me and then, then potentially gone back up. Let's see. I'm still watching what it's doing on ES. Hey Ken, what's up? Yes and no. I did obviously take a break, and also don't forget I'm in South Africa, so I'm not still up doing anything. South Africa times are the best times to trade. Just in my personal opinion, you know, from a non-biased point of interest. Purely because it's only like 4:45 in the evening here for me right now. So that's pretty cool. We then reach a liquidation from lockdown from. Oh, nope. Okay, so there we go. That would have been a loss. Again, though, I did say this beforehand, I would not have taken any trades here. Specifically for the reason of don't trade after the hour. Has the instability in South Africa improved? What do you mean by instability? Let's maybe ask that question. It's 8:47 AM and this side in the Caribbean. That's pretty cool. Wait. Here's a debate. Do you guys say Caribbean or Caribbean? Okay, like I said, this was a B setup for my style of trading. Unfortunately, I couldn't have taken that one. So this definitely, I mean, it would have been a goodie. Well, it would have definitely been partial. Wicked in, but again, it was only a B setup. Abhijit, what's up? That proves the is right. Oh my goodness. Okay, we wait. I don't know what exactly we're waiting for, but we are waiting. Okay. Oh, today's not a nice day, is it? Depends who say. Okay, okay, Ken, how do you say it? Do you go like Caribbean? So, or Caribbean? I don't even know how you tell me. A or B? Caribbean or Caribbean? A being Caribbean, B being Caribbean. Oh, I forgot that I still have this poll on. Oh, okay, so it's still a bit of a 50-50, dang? Okay. Majority are saying that they're not even touching this. Sammy, what strategy do I use? A, thank you. No, wait. Caribbean. I do Caribbean. Parts of the Caribbean, yeah. I do B. I prefer B. Whoa! What in the wiki? What was that? Okay, cool. Where's my Bob's here being sassy. Bob gets a whoop whoop for his banger win. Well done, Bob. Whoop whoop. Actually, anyone that had a win, well done. Whoop whoop, guys. Seriously, a huge whoop whoop. Well done. He's sitting. Who's teasing you? Who is teasing you right now, Hammer? I'll give them a talking to. Soldier Boy, 100k blown, 6 hit. Soldier Boy, what happened? What happened? The charts. Oh, the charts are teasing you. I was about to say, like, if someone's being mean, I can be scary. Sometimes. Not always, but I can be scary. What app am I using? Ken, I'm on TradingView. Is that what you mean? Was that what you were referring to? Also, Bob, you missed the butterfly of the day, which is sad. The butterfly of the day is amazing. Soldier Boy, I'm so sorry. Maybe you need to lock yourself out for today. Good morning. Hey, KC Nelson Studios. What's up? How are we doing? Opening range, chop zone, no. Oh yeah, it's low-key stuck in this 930 range. Look at that. Huh. Interest. Trading broke me many times over. People can't hurt me. I love that. Saw the calendar, you know, Daddy is in 6-day win streak, which I probably just jinxed. Talked about it a little bit. Why did you say anything? I was keeping my mouth shut for you, Bob. I was like, nope, 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 nope. But no. You've got this. You're doing freaking awesome. Like I said, one day when I'm big, I'll be as cool as you. Okay, Megabuntu, you can say it one more time and I want you to tell me when exactly it's coming. Okay. You could give it like a time, like in the next 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to watch. It has 15 to 20 minutes to be a big sell. I'm gonna start trading with pocket options. Oh, you're going for a buy? Ons gaan no buy. Again, I'm kind of upsetty spaghetti. I haven't bried in a long time. Also, probably not a bad thing because, yeah, I would probably burn things if I tried to bry. Just being honest, I'm not the best cook. What is happening? Why am I crashing out? Am I crashing out? I'm not crashing out, am I? Option sales is going to get premium. Pocket options low-key the biggest scam ever. Oh, damn, OTT. I say bye for the rest of the day. Oh. Okay. The different opinions have begun. I love it. For the short term at least, huge divergence here. Interesting. Hey, SG1016, you're new to trading. What platform is this? I'm currently using TradingView via Tradeovate via Top 1 Futures. So prop firm, yeah. So I'm using a prop firm. What's up? S&P 500 hard sell. Oh my gosh. I have literally, in the span of 5 minutes, every single option has popped up. I have had, it's going to be short. I've had buy zone play and chop. So all three of the options, down and sideways, have come into play in the past 5 minutes. Today is not clean at all, no. Making Maya crash out, you know, it's something bad. You 10 please in personal account, but RIP 100k. I'm so sorry, Soldier Boy. How long have I been trading? 11 months. I'll see you guys tomorrow for supposed London Open. What are you trading today? I'm from India. What? Arvin? Trading Nasdaq futures. So Cameron just opened a short. So we'll see. Virtual cash? What do you mean virtual cash? 5-50-minute trading? Eh. I'm very... No, Megabuntu. No. I said you can tell me when it's going to short. So when's it gonna short? I'm very happy I didn't trade today. Bob, you might take this long. This is where I wanted to take... No? Oh, I wanted to take a long from here, but it would have stopped me out. But then I guess this had this decent engulfing. Also, Bob, I'm going to be strict with you. Because I know you'll be strict with me. You've had your trade for today. Lock yourself out. You've had your trade. You've got this. Lock yourself out. Just because I know you would yell at me. So, fair's fair. I'd stop above fib level. Short now. Like right now, Megabuntu. Okay. Megabuntu says it's going to short now. If it does not short now, you are not allowed to say short again. That's the deal. Okay. Like I said, Megabuntu says it's going to short now. You're right, Maya. I was getting greedy. Thank you. I do it because I know you would do it to me, and I respect that. I respect that. He's going to jinx my show. No, you've got this. You've got this. You've got this. You're okay. Bob, I had this one set up. But then I was like, you know what? This technically would not be a good one because it's already been an hour. And as you can see, it actually would have been a loss. How did I have this? Yeah, I think I actually had it set up like this. So I had this one set up because of the nice doji that formed on the 5-minute. Literally, it was such a nice doji off of the level. Oh wait, so then the stop loss actually would have been larger. Would have been like so. That's how I had it set up. to top. But I even said ideally I would not take this because it's already past the first hour. You gotta listen to Bob and his rules. Guy, you're short. How long did it take for trading to become consistent enough for you to move from not enough volume for the rest of the day to short? Tomorrow should be the day to short. I agree with you, JP. I think tomorrow is going to be a short day. Just based off of the fact that that new weekly opening gap is still below, and I think it still wants to be poked. Wants to be tapped into. So this is what I had set up earlier. Like I said, this would have come, tagged me in, taken me out. Let's see how it reacts now. But yeah. Sucker in calls today and then dump rest of the week. Really? You think that's what it's gonna do, Cameron? That's gonna be interesting. That will be interesting if that is the case. Bob to Bob. The disrespect, though. Can I just say the disrespect? Guy bamboozle. Oh, my game? That's what she said? I got you, I got you, I got you. Wait.
That's what she said.
So that would have been rude. It would have taken me out of this trade because here would have been the entry. Would have spiked up, taken me out. And now let's see if this goes back up. For a whoop whoop. Let's see if it taps to the tippy top. Hit my stop. Oh, I'm sorry, Cameron. It's okay, right? It has been a tough trading day. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. It has been a tough trading day. London was tough. London was awful. This is why New York actually is not great today. But for me, it looks pretty good because this is a whole lot better than what London was this morning. London was terrible this morning. Mega Ubuntu. I apologize. I'm gonna put you in a 1-minute timeout. I'm sorry. Specifically for shortfall today. You're going on a 1-minute timeout. I apologize. There we go. I said you were allowed to say it one last time. So weekly we're going down. Mega Ubuntu, I will agree. Well, no, let's see. I think tomorrow sells could be in play. But anything can happen. Part of the game, 3 for 4 on trades and still green. Risk management. Nice, Cameron. That's really good risk management there. Whoop whoop for your risk management. Sorry, I was just thinking, you know, obviously we do whoop whoop for wins. Should we just stop doing this for stop losses? Just because it's so funny. Wait, when the fireworks are done. When the fireworks have died and we've all gone home. Sorry. I don't even think that's a song. It just stuck in my head. Okay. Should we start doing this for losses? Sorry, it's just so funny. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to cry. Just because it's so funny. Smeagol, what's up? Sorry, I don't trade that. Apologies. I apologize. Maya has no room for errors. What do you mean Maya has no room for errors? I definitely do. Have you met me? I am an error. I am the error. JP, don't flirt with lavender. Rude. Okay, not quite. Well. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. I'm getting. Quickly just mark this out. Just to remind myself to look there just now. Okay. But wait a second. This is also in play. Okay. Double flat. Oh! Nah. Ironically, that would be the better entry. 1, 2, shoot, but it won't be great. Oh, no, it would be good. I mean, it's not quite an automatic. That's a good level of resistance there. Didn't have no wick on the 5-minute, but on the 1-minute, this no wick is pretty solid. Obviously, they're respected better on the higher time frames, but they've been working pretty decently on the 1-minute, so that's not been taken. That's been corrected. Let's see what it does here. Festival and Facebook profiles. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. My other things. How's your trading journey? Me. Ow, ow, ow. I hear you. that sounds like facts right there. How's trading treating you? It's like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How the market's been recently? You know that like scared hamster that's like that is how trading has been treating people lately. Just look below volume. There's one higher time frame. Violin just worked wonders. Hey, Nasdaq futures, what's up? What's up, Buttercup? Not great. I want to see if it will come back and take that out. But retest back into here. Maybe not so much. Oh, guy, that's nice. Hey, Bobby, what's up? You think a hard sell right now? We're in point of control, so there's no point trading this. Well, I'm just hands off watching the chaos unfold because, I mean, this price action kind of sucks. But you can still learn from yucky price action. You can still see how it respects some levels and areas, right? This is decent. Nope, less decent, but no, I still like the wicks that happened there, but again... This is a B setup. Switcheroo? I'd be surprised if we broke low up there. Mossy, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Stop by 6. Target 6. Damn, okay. Okay, Bobby, let's see. Let's see how it works for you. We're back into this 930 range, but struggling to break below. I'm gonna say something very controversial. I still think the buyers are gonna be in play today. Just from how it's been reacting, I still think the buyers are in play. That's okay. No, I think I broke my rules. Soldier boy? I'm trying to think about like go sit in a corner of it. That, you know, as long as you learned from it, then it's fine. Then it's not a loss, it's a lesson. And that's okay. Risking only 0.05%. That's okay. Calling it a day. Good luck to all future trades, everyone. Cheers, Cameron. Enjoy. Yeah, if anyone is still trading this, I think I might be calling. Shoot. Let's see. Girls can't trade. You can see the history of the humankind. What do you say? What do you mean by what? 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 Say what? What? Anyways, looks bullish to me. Great to put to grab with that wiki, then form that bullish for value gap. If you have time, guys, you're very flying first. Video 4 o'clock minus and volume, but then for now. Mega! I'm gonna put you in a timeout again if you say big down from here. Long, some of the best traders are women. Thank you, JP. My cheat sheet was trading funded accounts, risking 0.5 for a reward of 1.5. One trade at a time. That's not bad. That's really, really good. Okay. Would look like so. Like I said, again, this was not an A+ setup. This was a B setup, which is why I didn't take my trade. I'm still forward testing this one. I'll still be in the forward tested one. Let's see. Long wick tapped in 50-minute fair value gap. And 10. Oh, look at the time. What the heck? Where's time gone? I'm still, sorry guys, I did circle it for a reason, so I'm still curious to see what happens there. Oh, are you just trying to get banned? Is that what that is? Oh. Okay, good for you. Have fun. Still be in this trade. Wouldn't be too happy about this trade, but I'd still be in it. 11:11. Oh, Mike. Guys, it's 11 past 11 in EST time. Y'all can make a wish. Okay. Done. I can't tell you. That one at least was corrected. I'm watching these. I know, very against what everyone is saying. I still think it wants to go up. Don't think a lot of people would agree with me on this, but I still think it wants to go up. Correct some of these. People still do that? Absolutely. Hey Victor, what's up? It respected the bullish fair value gap nicely. Oh, it did indeed. You are correct. You are correct, sir. Respected it nicely. It just kept... Well, no, didn't retest it. What am I talking about? Popped into it, respected it. Keeps wanting to break out of the 930 range. Hey, Isaac. So you're saying sell it? Victor, I'm okay. I can't complain. Oh my gosh, guys. Is it Mojo Jojo? Is it Mojo Jojo time? No ways. It might be Mojo Jojo time. Mojo Jojo. Yes, we are weird here, but we have fun. So who cares? Let me draw it like that. Let's see. If you don't know the Mojo Jojo, it's not a real thing. Please, please, please. It's not real. Unless it starts working, then... Was I trading during London? I was. Why? According to me, it's in range. Yes, it is. That's why I'm hands off. It's not worth taking a trade in this right now. Okay, Mojo Jojo has spoken. We're going up. That's taken. This is not tapped into yet. It is not mitigated there. Now that's taken. Ah, would have been a winning trade for me. It was a B setup. Pity. Oh well. Hasn't quite tapped into the bob level yet though. Okay, well Mojo Jojo did speaketh. It went up. Hey, take a what's up? It took out my two things that I wanted it to take out. I've been taking note of them like a mad lad. Give it a minute. Bob, did you see though? Did you see? Did you take it? Maybe the B setups are just the way to go recently. Someone asked time frame. I'm on the 1 minute, sorry. Instead of I think it's time for Papa. Aw, cheers. Have a great one. It might nearly be time for me to call it because this feels oh so cheeky chopped. Curiosity, so that one was a win. 1, 2, close to 3. I'm curious if you moved it down a little bit so it just worked better. No. The reason that 50% is good. It's okay. Respect or foot. No, it's not. Giving it a minute. I'm still waiting to see if this taps into this or not. Why NPCs so hard to do? OTT, that is hilarious. What are they doing? If it taps 0.2, entering again 1%. Buy on dips will work better. Victor, I mean, technically, so this is for a buy. This here that I have set up here would have been for a buy. So yes, buying on the dips. That's the whole premise of my market auction strategy. Just on the smaller time frames. Buy the dips, sell the highs, right? Market auction theory. You buy in discounts, sell in premium. They don't want to work, that's what they're doing. I get it. Like, who wants to work? Yuck. Yuck. OTT, ugh. Work. Work. I really need to have a look at my B setups because the Bs tend to be working pretty well. The A pluses recently, not so much. Literally, what What was it? Actually, solidly forgot. What was it earlier? I'd set it up and I was like, it's a B setup, but it would have worked out well. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Wasn't there? Oh, it was this one. This was a B setup. I mean, it worked out. And this one was a B setup. That would have worked out now. This is a B setup because it technically only has the 2. And it would have taken partial. Maybe B setups are better. I don't know. Yeah, YouTube's working. What's up? But that helps the player get materials, bro. Just moving around and not doing his job. Oh my gosh, RTG! Oh, flip to read, that was amazing.
Emotional damage.
That was awesome. And people saying to you, don't choose ICT, don't choose fly on demand. What are people supposed to use? Their instinct, OTT, you're just supposed to know. Wait, maybe go along 60 points from here. You guys see, I got this book and I think it's so funny. Dealing with difficult people. And it is too funny. So, do you think this would be considered moaners, groaners, and critics? Would this be shifting the stubborn? Would it be fault finders and nitpickers? This is hilarious. Would it be complaints? We love them. Oh, shoot. It's so funny. Okay, anyways. Volume preference can be everything you need. What's up, Tickle? How are you? How you doing? How have you been? I hope it's been good. Technically, this was a very itty bitty A+ setup. No, never mind. Not where the entry is. Shoot. Where entry is, it is not. Bob to Bob. That also would have been a win. Nice. Bob to Bob. It just would have taken me out first, which is rude. If I'd re-entered in on it, I probably would have taken it further up at this level here. But a decent Bob to Bob level. Okay. I actually want to... I can't do it now, obviously, but I want to backtest something with regards to these shelves. Like, if they're shelves that look like this, I feel like they just work better. I don't know why. Oh, but that's good! Use works and stick to it. Imagine not using something that makes you money just because someone used. Joe boy, fake. What's fake? Every time you say big sell rejections from PSL, that one pops. Volume profile's nice. I couldn't implement it to how I trade. Down since open. What do you mean? It's only gone down once since open. Ubuntu? I'm talking about when you specifically say it. I've tracked all 4 times and they are correlate with the pop. Minimize the risk of being taken out. It's better to have the patience for the rest of the fair value gap, you know? No wick there. Still gonna go up, 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 and away. I'm enjoying this quite a bit. Oh well. There would have been taken out. Sorry, gotta make that better. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically 5. Technically 5. 3 wins, 2 losses. Not bad. So try to, you know, and you look really good. Oh, thanks, Keshi. What's up? How you doing? Lavender's just out here saying we should all fade Ubuntu. Shame. Shame. Oh, from the profit I'll buy a birthday cake for myself tomorrow. Oh! But yes, actually you need another happy birthday whoop whoop. I think you need another happy birthday whoop whoop because it's your birthday and you're 28. It's a big one. Whoop whoop. Mad love. Happy birthday. I'm sitting like a shrimp, guys. I should maybe sit like a proper human being. There we go. What pair is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Obito, what's up? How are you? How's it going? How's it been? Okay. Price action do be a tad bit slow today, so that's fine. Like I said, guys, this book is hilarious. I'm gonna go to moaners, groaners, and critics, and I'm going to read a sentence, so page 68, just because I'm curious and because I can. So moaners, groaners, and critics. Let's do this. Pay no attention to what the critics say. No statue has ever been put up to a critic. I think that's true. Has there ever been a statue made of a critic? Anyways, in a perfect world would be perfect and there would be nothing to moan about, nothing to grumble about, and nothing to criticize. As it stands, it is not yet a perfect world. Things will go wrong. There'll be foul-ups, mistakes, and blunders. So expect moaners, groaners, and critics. Guys, I think I need to like copy and paste this. So I think this is pretty accurate for this channel. Are you ready? Constructive criticism delivered with sincerity and in the spirit of doing things better is no bad thing. Right? Some bosses take it too far mainly because they're not very good at being a boss, but then who is? Okay. If you're stuck with a critical boss, your best defense is to stick with the facts. If they grumble, produce the notes, the memos, the work, the invoice, the plan, the meeting minutes, blah, 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 blah. Stick to the facts. Yeah, got it. Okay, but just the constructive criticism part in the beginning was pretty good. Okay, this is what. If the facts don't come out on your side, admit the mistake. And that's basically what traders have to do. Sorry. You best believe I'm gonna read this, and maybe I should like make notes. That's now gonna be what I'm doing tonight. Anyways, sorry, random things on a Monday. I mean, not quite yet. Keshi, what strategy am I using for the analysis? So sweet and simply, well, which one? This one? This is Bob to Bob level. So that's some secret sauce stuff right there that I cannot give away just yet. Unless you're trading gold, then you can go check out gold. It's called Bob's whatchamacallit, sorry. Bob's Gold Rush levels. If you guys want to check that out, you can on gold. Willifru, what's up? What happened with Blacksmith? What happened? Did anyone? Oh, cool. Thanks for the compliment. There's no premium right now. I think 24,850 is the area where I see sellers sitting in. You are welcome. Thank you. I was sitting in the passenger side of his best friend tonight, trying to holler at me. No trades until my wild hunch kicks back in. Oh my gosh. Soldier boy, you are funny. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to call it. I think volume and volatility is all going to calm all the way down now because it is kind of lunchtime New York time, which feels wild. Feels like nothing's happened yet. But that being said, a lot has happened. Okay, so I'm going to also go, I need to backtest two things. I need to backtest the bob levels, and I need to backtest B setup specifically with this shelf. I feel like they just get respected better, but I need to backtest that or else I'm just obviously talking rubbish, and I don't want to be talking rubbish to you guys. Sorry, so I have my goals. Let's do this. It's still morning. Yeah, it's still morning. It's nighttime for me, guys. It's like 5:30 in the evening. Wait to kill. But use FX replay to backtest proper. Thanks, OTT. Thank you. But on that note, I'm gonna call it there. For anyone that is still trading, good luck. Trade safe. The markets are weird. So I hope it's all green and whoop whoops for you guys. Everyone else, I hope you have an amazing evening. If you are new and you want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. It is in the description of this video. Yeah, and if you guys want discounts, Violinox. Just before I forget, Violinox has two specials going on at the moment. There's an 89%, which is Teach Maya code on option 1, and on option 2, there's a 75% discount, and there you can use Teach Maya 75. Yeah, if anyone uses Violinox or wants discounts, just so that you guys are aware, there's those two going on. Oh, Thomas, I'm about to leave. I'm sorry. Okay. But yeah, if you guys use Violinox and you guys want discounts, there we go. But I love you guys madly. You are awesome sauce. I will be back tomorrow, Tuesday. Let's do this. Okay, trade safe, guys. I love you.